Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to copy your GitHub profile link in just a few seconds. First, go to the GitHub website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click your profile. This will take you to your public GitHub profile page. Now look at the address bar at the top of your browser. That's your GitHub profile link. Simply right-click it and select Copy, or press Ctrl-C or Command-C on Mac. You can paste the link into a new tab to test it. If your profile opens, perfect. You've successfully copied your GitHub profile link. And that's it. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more helpful coding tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.